My client came in asking for a Cesar Fade, which is like a low fade. I'm going to start by taking down his waves with a 1.5 with the grain. I like to do the lineup first so I can see exactly where I'm going to put this fade. I'm going to start this fade with my trimmers and ball them out. I'm going to create a guideline here with the 1 guard and come underneath it with the clipper all the way open. I'm going to start to fade down with the 1.5 guard. I'm going to continue to fade down with the 1/2 guard and remove the 2nd guideline. With this type of hair texture, it's vital for me to use my comb. I'm going to continue to fade up with the 1 guard. While fading, comb it down to see exactly where you're cutting. While fading the 0 line, make sure you open the lever as you move up on the fade. Peep my dog spinning. Razor work to make sure everything is sharp. Scissor work for any strays. Hey yo, I'm telling you, this aftershave gun is gonna have you feeling good and smelling good.